Hey guys, this is Megan with Megan's Wreath Boutique. I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how I put my wreaths together with the Deco Mesh using the Ruffle method. This will be a quick, short video. I've already put my wreath form together with the Chenille Steams. I bought this 14-inch wreath form from the Dollar Tree, and I added the Chenille Steams. I do hot glue them down so they don't move, and they're 5 inches in between. I have 17 on this wreath form, and let's see, I've already put one of my Deco Mesh pieces onto the wreath form. I cut my Deco Mesh pieces in 17 sections at 21 inches wide. So just real quick, I want to show you how I add them on to get the Ruffle method. So let's get started. And I start with the outer rings. I find that if you start on the outer rings, the inner rings will sit on top of the outer ring, on top of the Deco Mesh, and just make your wreath form fuller. So we get all these ready, and then you grab your Deco Mesh, and I want to show you just really quickly what I do. I roll in both ends to where it makes a little curl like this, and then all I do is bunch it up in the middle, and it's gonna make a ruffle just like that. Not too hard, nothing crazy. And then I add it onto the wreath form. I do fluff up the ends so that they're both facing upwards, both ends, and then move on to the next section. It's that simple. So take the ends, roll them in, and scrunch in the middle. None of these are gonna look exactly the same, and that's kind of the uniqueness of this wreath. One more. Roll the ends in, bunch, and attach to your wreath form. And then fluff up the ends. And you're not going to want to take off or clip these Chenille stems because you're going to add your ribbon later. So leave them for now until you're completely done with your wreath. And then you can clip off these if you'd like. Okay, so just a quick, I'll finish this up so you can see what it looks like at the end. Up, and look how full it is, and it's pretty and ruffled, and I just really like the way this method comes together. I like to get my Deco Mesh from Craft Outlet. I find that it's fuller and stiffer, and it just makes for a better looking wreath in my opinion. Feel free to ask questions if you have any, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new today.